guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hadn't been a lot of fun stuff going on, and you guys don't like watching my videos where I'm sanding and taking stuff apart, and that's what I've been doing. Today I'm taking some more parts off the Volkswagen, and tonight I'll be stripping down the Porsche, getting it ready to go on the rotisserie. Don't know if I'll combine these two videos together or not. It's kind of an air-cooled day, if you know what I mean. So the 70 backdated Beetle and the 74 maybe backdated Porsche. It's going to be an outlaw Porsche, and so I'm not really sure which direction I'm going. Right now it's just rust repair and getting the motor. So you saw I got the engine stand put together. I got the ring in for to mount the motor to the engine stand for both the Volkswagen that we're doing here, building a fully blown, high-tech, really nice performance motor for this Volkswagen, all 100% brand new parts. So you're not going to want to miss that. And also the Porsche, there's just a few little issues with the Porsche motor, but I needed to pull the heads off, so I went ahead and got that engine stand, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to put that on the engine stand in the next couple of videos, and we're going to strip it down as far as we need to go. It's a fresh motor. It's only got about 8,000 or 10,000 miles on it, but it's set up for a long time, and it got some corrosion or some carbon in the heads, and there's two heads that have got leak down issues. So anyway, please watch the video, enjoy it. Please like, tag, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It is free to subscribe to any YouTube channel, and it really helps a lot out on my end as far as where the the videos are placed on YouTube for other people to see them, for the channel to grow. So with that said, hit that subscribe button. If you like the content that you're seeing on hot rods and air-cooled cars and just car shows and just really cool stuff in general, follow me along. You know, some videos may be boring, some may be fun. You never know what you're going to see on this channel, and I'm just trying to bring something cool to you instead of watching the nightly news. You do not want to watch the nightly news. It's pretty depressing. So watch Spanky instead. Anyway, let's get on with this teardown. All right, guys, it's strip down time for the Volkswagen. No, that is not a tornado warning. That's the test, weekly test. So I'm okay. We got to strip down the Volkswagen some more and take out the seat belts, take out all the seats. I've done this in stages. As I get to a certain point, I have the body ready to come off. Just trying to make it to where I can get to it and get it rolled out from underneath the body as I get to that point. Yeah, it's a mess. It's got to get worse before it gets better. There's been a lot of this going on in the shop recently, and it's really hard to make videos that you guys will sit through. Everybody wants to see the fun stuff. And there really hadn't been a lot of fun stuff. There's a lot of fun stuff coming up. I've got a lot of videos made with fun stuff on it. Unfortunately, it's not fun for me, so it can't be fun for you. All right, let's get the shifter boot out. All right, got the back done, got the hump done. Let's see what we got going on up here. Normally I would use this for a pattern if I was going to do some custom carpet, but just like the Porsche, I just seem to start with something fresh and clean. Make my own patterns. It appears to be a pretty solid car, other than the floor. It is a convertible, and I don't know of any convertibles of any brand that take water well. And just like anything else, it's been patched over the years a few times. All right, so here's our starting point, guys. After we've stripped down the inside, the lot of fiberglass patchwork back here did a good job, but fiberglass, I mean, good for boats. You can see all the debris left behind. Typical. It's gonna need floors. A couple of panels up in here where the back tops on these will leak. Around the back of the window will leak. It'll form water back here on the carpet and rot this area out on every convertible Volkswagen. The floor right here, of course, where the battery goes, battery acid leaked. That's what happened to my Porsche, is the front end where the battery sits. The front panels are going to be about the same. I mean, they're somewhat solid, but need to be replaced. And you can see on the passenger side, let's see if I can get this back. See if I can zoom in on that. You see that little yellow stuff right there? That, my friends, is the Redneck Rust Repair kit in a can. You can get it at Home Depot. It's called spray foam. So they just fill the crevices with spray foam. It does not work. It might work with a surfboard, but it is not going to work where it comes to steel. That's pretty typical. That's about what you find on the repair jobs that people don't take the time to do right, research and do right. All right, so next thing is pull the seats out, and I've got to loosen these bolts back here for the pan on the inside, and it's ready to lift off. Get these two separated. All right, so all the parts get bagged and tagged, inventoried. More than likely, there will only be about 10% of the parts saved from the tear out that will be used. But keep it for reference, and always good to save everything that you can until the job is done. Never know what you're going to need. Hey folks, well, thanks for joining me today and watching the video. Got a lot done on the Volkswagen, got a lot of stuff taken apart, and got some stuff ordered for it. So stay tuned. This thing is going to be trick. I promise you. It's going to be a really, really cool hot rod Volkswagen. And I'd love for you guys being with it all the way through. So once again, free to subscribe, like, tag, share, and tell your friends. Let's get this channel growing, and let's have a good time together. So if you're tired of watching YouTube, get out in the garage and go build something. Till next time, thanks for watching Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs.